today. You must tell me sorry today.
Please, why?
Why not tell me sorry? I go mess that kind of dangerous mess.
That you first mess. I just respond.
No, that mess was wicked. You don't get anywhere. I was zoom back today.
I know see this guy make sense. See full grown up man. Instead of him to go do work, in the play around. The woman for house.
Now wetin love they do, my brother. At least if you see them, you go know say they love their self true.
So now for your own dictionary, how to show woman say you love her, but to play around for compound like small picking.
Love sweet shots.
Love sweet, sha. Poor love. Love where money no dey. Now this one be love. Hey, no worry, small time hunger go catch them. Their mind go touch ground.
At least now money you no get, but in get love. You wait till you get, no get anything. Your boy will never cash out.
Wetin me and you they do like this?
I used to read that one.
I no get money, I no get love. But at least I no get money, I no get love. You know one thing where I get. For night you go come ask me. No worry, when I see a pay. I know for night you go come beg. You know what I get now.
I'll wait for you to cry, yeah?
Yes, just wait. The girl you're lying me. So we'll go chef school now. This is a baby onions. These onions are adult onions. So. Even if Pope, all these onions, Pope will cry like me.
You know what I mean? Let me go up here. I got to you.
My neighbor, thank you.
See your life. My help your life.
No, leave no help me now. If you just any pound pepper now, you go sign cook this food, I beg.
Before Uncle Person follow you pound pepper, no cook, follow you cook food.
My person will put salt and maggi for food, then cook food. Because now they determine the taste. Yeah, take, no cry.
Hey, God. See this one. They want to help you, they do anyhow. They help you pound pepper. But Kukuma leave them now.
So this is what they cook now, one in town. Why you depend on slow? Now you plan this thing once and for all now.
Why they add something?
Put them it.
Hey! Yeah!
Pepper, oh, my eyes.
You see your life? Now.
Let me rinse them
No,
now.
I rinse and they bring water. Calm down.
Like the left eye.
Oh, I open your mouth, and give some.
Open my mouth.
Open mouth. Collect salt. Lick. You don't calm down. Put more water. You don't calm down.
Thank you.
You want more salt?
Thank you. You see what you cause Abi? If you know this will go happen to me. I would just pound this on myself, it no go happen to me. Every time I do something where you come, you keep us in bad luck. I pound down myself. Why you dey laugh? Pepper enter my eyes, you dey laugh?
My God. You see now overconfidence make February no complete.
No, cause
my every pound pepper. Me when they pound small. I don't get sense of it. You don't come, don't use power. You use power to cook.
You don't do.
Then you won't come turn up for my matter. You get mad. Man hard now. Me know when I don't get that eye.
You still laugh, Abi? You don't chop for this food today, I bet you. You want better? You don't chop this food. You want better?
Hey. Okay. I won't bet.
You know chop, if you...
I won't bet. If they tell you I will follow you cook, I know chop the food. You believe?
Belinda, you know chop this food.
I know. No sense.
You know chop. You will know me today. Belinda! Belinda! pot, Belinda. That's it. Give me my pot. Give me my pot, Belinda. Give me my pot, Belinda. Belinda! Open this door!
So me and you go cook finish, you go chop alone. Who does that?
You dey okay so? So I'll cook for you, cook and you run, abi?
Oga, go house, this food don lost.
Open this door. I go break am o.
Break the door. You give my landlord better business break am.
See they born you to make come outside for this room.
Be outside abeg, I wan dey inside. We dey equal. No big deal.
What's the point this game? Where was this guy get from again?
We cook food finish. Omo. My belle go too happy today.
Come on, shut up there, Joe.
See better food. You tell me I don't follow each other. Guy, go. This food don lost.
Okay.
Guy, see, I don't understand you. She na juju be this Sabina waiting. Eh? After me and you don't sit down, plan finish how I want to chop better food today. Like play, don't carry and play love.
Oh, no vex for me.
Man, no vex.
No vex for me. But I go show that get pepper today. I should carry my own pot of food run now.
See that's thing they do. She not life be this one. Now you dey here, they struggle, Gary. They play love, Romeo and Juliet.
Don't do you now.
And you no do anything.
But that they carry me play, sha. She go collect o. This is the best me now, the best me.
They vex you. See, me I no get wahala with this one and nonsense love one they play. My own be to make person no use my belly they play next time. Sure you hear me so?
Don't do you.
You no do. Now this guy is supposed to chop this afternoon.
Don't want it again.
Which one be no one
Nah,
drink? Keep that thing. Which one be no one drink again?
You come now, chop food now.
Nonsense. See what you don't do. Make person they chop this afternoon.
It's sweet, guys, sweet.
Now only this I dey get from that your stupid relationship.
I just get a relationship. Hey man, wey love me. What you get?
Belinda, don't just insult me. No try am.
I take me insult. I don't be
Because
insult.
of ordinary rice. But you no get shame. Why you dey disgrace yourself like that? Why you go carry pot of rice dey run for street?
Yeah.
Na baby you be o. So how you go find husband like this? This your stupid character.
I don't understand. Eric na waiting. So you go dey my life, I go see the fire man.
Okay, for your mind, Jerry go marry you like this. See, that boy dey use you catch cruise now. See, that boy, immediately that boy see girl with money, he go dump you. I swear. Mark it on the wall.
Don't tell me say you don't see future. I've no know.
Now so story like this they end. I be no dey watch film.
Guy, see the love wey I get for Eric and the love wey he get for me. No dey normal. You know they normal.
They play.
That kind of love no dey fake.
They play.
Succeed.
They play.
Guy, that pot no hot for your leg. That's why the food hot hungry you reach.
Ah, hey. It's because you bought this food.
I believe bought. I believe bought. People are still say I bought this food.
This food.
That bring pot now. Take this. What's the one this one?
Shoe.
People are bring pot. You know how much?
After I get a big rich, they fight for me because of food.
happened? Officer, like, what happened now? Ah! Eric, come on. Eric, come on. Eric, come on. Eric, come on. Oh, wait, don't worry. Eric, now. Don't worry now. Eric, come on. Come on. Give me water now. Come on. No way.
You stubborn. I'm going to show you. Go back. Go back. One. Go back. Two. Go back. Sorry. I'll cry for you. I will catch you. Thank you.
What's happening? Let me buy one contest now first. Why are you like this?
It's me. One. Ariane, give me first.
Okay.
Come on.
What do you?
Give me one.
Hello, beautiful. It's been a while.
Your mumu boyfriend don't come.
I'm not jealous.
I'm gonna jealous. I stand where. You worry. Why did you do me?
I'm talking to you, darling. Come inside, let me drop you off. The sun is so hot for you, okay?
I will change down for this guy. I will change down for Ramo.
Respect yourself, Jerry. Let me go.
Look, darling. Come inside, let me drop you off, okay? I'm sure your loser boyfriend won't feel bad about it.
You the Chris? Who you they call loser? I will come. If I wait for me now, the Chris. I'll show you loser today. Blah, you don't know me. What's in the drive? This rubbish car. Destroy everything now. Go see what they have for you.
What's your power? Your blood too hot. Calm down. Ah. Why the bed?
Let me. Don't touch me, my bed. You're the best. I don't want. I'm the best.
That's not what I do.
I'm enjoy that guy now.
Worry that girl. See fine bobo where you save get money, you ready to spend. I don't know where she dey phone for you. Bele.
Look, I am ready to do anything she wants. Anything at all. All I want her to do is accept me. Look, I will change her life for good. I'll make her look like a queen that she is. Just let me talk to her, please.
You say, Oga can make you try to talk to him again now. Maybe she go reason things with you.
I have been trying, but she wouldn't give me listening ear. She doesn't want to talk to me at all. She doesn't. But you can also help me, you know.
Oga can that girl know they listen, no. That girl know they listen. And matter long. No they listen. Now my problem be that.
Look. Just help me talk to her, okay? Tell her how much I love her, how much I want to be with her, and how much I want her to be my wife. Once she accepts me, I'll make her my wife immediately. Please let me talk to her. Look, if you do this for me, if she accepts me, I'm going to change her life for good.
Me?
I'll give you anything you want.
You mean am?
Yes, I'm serious.
You promise?
What are you saying? Do I look like I'm joking?
Oga
Just let me talk to her, please.
I got you.
Please.
I got you.
Tell her I love her so much.
I will try my best.
Please, I
You will change my life.
What are you saying? Do I look like I'm joking?
I will talk to her.
Please help me.
I promise.
Please, I beg you.
Thank you.
All
Thank
right.
you.
I'll be expecting the positive response, please.
No problem.
Please, just
That
help
one
me.
no day.
Thank you.
I got you.
All right.
Bye-bye. Belinda, I don't just dey understand you and this Eric guy. On a matter don't tire me. Now wetin you want be this? That guy don't get nothing yet. You dey follow him up and down. Wetin dey work you?
Guy, you dey like say you no know me. Money no dey move me now. You, na money I dey find. I dey find man wey go love me. Wey go, you understand, like dey free with me, leave me as I dey. And nobody dey give me that levels like my Eric. So abeg, serious abeg. You no go understand. You no fit understand.
And Ken, that guy get money, he get class. Yet you know the reason matter. Why?
Free me. That guy is too full of himself. Okay. Beg. Alignment no go.
See who they talk. Eric Nko, that one no get nothing apart from local stupid love.
See that stupid love. You do leave him like that.
So far no dey tire you. You won't suffer with that guy. So far no dey tire you.
Everything back. Now you suffer. Shoo. Wahala dey. Abeg go, leave me, abeg. I don't get energy for that una English love. You see, touch love, no be for me. Leave am, beg.
So wetin you dey try talk now?
See Ken fit be my friend. No wahala. But Eric na my love. Na my man. Na my manchi. Na my everything. I dey hold my back like this.
So with your clear eyes now, you go choose Eric over Ken.
Beg. This matter don too long. No leave am. Free am. Last na my life. I may go run am as I take once. I may go level am. So free me abeg.
Sorry, ma.
No die this matter.
Sorry, ma.
Na you say. Guy dey preach. You wey get like 3 man wey dey knock your door. Beg free me there.
Abeg no insult me o.
I no dey insult you. You get 3 men wey dey run their matter loaded, coded. Yeah, they do scam.
How are you?
I do. How far now?
As you can see, I'm good. Where's your friend?
Sarah dey Jerry.
No, I'm not talking about her. I'm talking about the jobless guy that walks around with you.
See why Mary dey get problem, abi? See why our matter no dey align. Why you dey insult the guy now? Wetin he do you?
Belinda, what have you seen in that guy that you can give to? Is it love? Is it care? Is it attention? But I'm ready to change your life for good. Why don't you I just want you to be my woman. I want you to be good for me.
Abeg. Now this matter carry you come here. Now this matter carry you come abeg. Enter your car, make they go.
No, I just keep this.
Oh, you see me now? Shoo? You come see me just there and insult man when no do anything. Wetin you even carry come see me? Abi you come see me, no carry anything, come empty-handed.
I would like to come and see a beautiful angel like you.
Na my guy you be now. Bring something abeg. My G. My guy. Oh, you my G. Oh, forget. My G last.
So why don't you go inside and get dressed? Let's go out together.
You say?
Go inside, get dressed, let me take you out.
You want to take me out? Yeah. Your mind did not tell you say make you inform me first before you pull up.
What is it? You are not doing anything now. You're back from work, so you're free. Let's go out. Let's just go spend time together. I want to treat you nicely.
Say I dey back from work, no mean say my life come circle around you now. Maybe I plan no. I don't feel follow you.
You go anywhere or you have something to do.
Wahala. I won't go see my man. I tell him I go see him this evening, so I won't go see him.
Belinda, what exactly is wrong with you? Every time I'm talking to you, you're mad. Can't you say that I love you so much? Can't you say it? I want to be with you. I want to change your life.
I don't tire for this talk. I don't tire for this matter. I won't go see my guy. Say, talk. I want to go say, but I no go late. Sure.
It's fine. I'll just keep hoping that someday you accept me because I truly love you.
What if that someday no show?
I have faith. I trust in you. As long as I keep showing you love.
don't hear. But me, nah. I won't begin go. Man, no late.
One more thing, I want you to tell that he's very lucky to have.
Yes, sir. You know that.
He's very lucky to have a very faithful girl like you. And he has to be very careful because he allows you sleep in the office with him. I'm standing by.
Wish. You know that's when they talk that phrase if wishes na horse. Na very dey like this. Abeg, thank you. Still try for this one. Still try. I no go lie. Mama, they go here. Thank you. They go.
No, I like to watch it.
No. Enter your car. Enter.
Fine.
Yeah. They go. Aha.
So Belinda, like play, you don't turn Ken down for that Eric. So far no dey tire you. Outing like Eric be like charity case. You go hopeless, you come back more hopeless. You no dey tire.
No, ask yourself. You know they tire. If you use the energy way they use advise me, carry my matter for head. If you use them advise yourself, by now, don't blow.
Okay, I see. So what if that Eric break your heart and go? You don't reason am.
God. Shey na my heart. Now your heart you go break. Leave am. Make him break my heart. At least I go know say na him fault. But you see that Eric wey dey look down on, na the air wey I dey breathe. Na him full my lungs. I no fit do without am. Every 2 minutes, Eric. No, see, not even 20 men like Ken go fit come between me and Eric.
Where they carry that gift go?
I won't show my baba now.
No, Belinda. You won't carry gift another man buy, you go show Eric. Wetin dey rock you?
That be my gift. My gift now. I go use am do wetin I want do. I fit do anything I want with am, abeg. Guy, you wear? If you want gift, go take him. There you go.
Ha! Who won this game? Ordinary Eric.
This better.
Take care of you now. You like him, real?
My guy.
No worry, you enjoy more. When I make more money, you will enjoy more.
I trust you now. I'm my guy.
But Belinda, some way they collect gifts from this guy hand now. But see, you know they reason the guy.
Which one jealousy?
I no could be jealous. You know, say your matter strong for my heart. I think keep us for your matter. I will say I do useless. I don't feel buy you this kind of things.
You dey crazy. I don't understand. Waiting bring that kind of talk. For mine, if I want follow Ken come out, I go need your permission. I be think say I go follow and come out based on say they buy me things. Ha! I beg. I deal with you because I want deal with you. How they provoke me? I look like that, I beg.
Nah, no vex. But what I try to talk now? See, you already know, say Ken like you. Because he dey collect this from your hand. You're not okay. Tell us to make him go so that make get you.
How you get me?
Who gonna get you now?
Nobody gets me, oh.
Huh?
This na person put ring for this finger. Carry me go altar. Now him go get me fast.
Belinda, you don't insult me with this.
Don't be insult. Don't be insult, though. Now reality I dey tell you. Okay. What if tomorrow now You can't see one babe. Maybe say, maybe she fine pass me, she gallant. She even fit get pass pass wella. You raise my matter. You no go for that go.
Clear your mouth.
Wetin?
Clean and thirsty.
Something which side? Something down.
Very good. You don't clean your rubbish comot. I can tell that kind thing now. See, as we deal like this, I no go fit let anybody marry you. And even me, I no go marry another person. Now you I go marry. Even if not to go thief money, I must marry you.
Wait though, if you go thief now, if you become thief, you think I go really become thief wife?
Yeah, even me, I know say you no go like that kind thing for me. Yeah? Barely, but I hope so na joke you do. You no go feel that another man marry you.
You won't marry me.
I won't marry you now. I won't marry you, Belinda. I won't marry you.
Why?
I need to talk like this, Belinda. I need to torture my head. I need to scatter my dada. I need to bust my brain. I need to press my mom button. If I see you, I don't happy. If you dey laugh, I go dey laugh. If you dey cry, I go dey cry. I need to talk like this. I won't marry you now. Eh?
No, they want me.
Belinda, I'm not the one you now. If I want you, I want myself. I do like you. I love you. Look, I want to see what's in this one.
Are this small thing that is big?
People
like packages. They're too packaged. Nothing less there. Nothing less there.
You know, it will make sense. Now, go try buy one way so it will make sense for you.
Makes sense, so.
You know.
This one will cost. It makes sense.
Try, it makes sense. Look at that. Test that too.
You don't do now. That way you won't go better.
It makes sense. I go give you
Hey,
another one
don't
now.
change that.
I'll give you another one.
You don't do that, eh?
I don't know, like, I'm so pissed right now.
Oga Ken, me sef don tire to dey talk o. We need to act.
I know, but what do we do? What do you want us to do? Don't forget, we have to be very careful. So she doesn't know that you're the one helping me out. We have to be careful.
Me sef no go like make she find out say na me dey help you. I no fit betray my friend. But I wan make she live better life. That be why I dey support you, Oga Ken.
This is it. The main point is for her to live a good life and not this wretched life. I am going to change her life for good. Please let me talk to her. Please, I beg you. And don't forget that you stand to gain something good.
See, that thing where you buy from am, she carry that thing go give that her boyfriend Harry. That thing pain me.
What? I swear to God, I'm going to keep that guy off my way. I'm going to do it. Can you imagine?
No vex, no vex. I dey feel your pain. Make you no vex.
I will take care of you now.
What this morning where you don't buy now. I dey take care of you. I know, Isha. This your love. Wetin be the plan? Time never reach when I will take am official.
Well, you know it's my dear, I know we like you. I love Belinda very well. But as a guy man, you have to put some things in order first. Once everything is still like this, I'm marry her straight.
So wait first, guy. For your mind like this, she love you, Abby?
No, no. She love me die. See, I don't get anything, I don't get car.
So you know.
I don't get house. I don't get money. And she still love me. She even the bounce guy we get money. That stupid boy. What's his name again? Ken. They bounce that one for me. She love me now.
Huh? That one dey sharp. Because you know, see nowadays, girls their eyes they chook for money anyhow.
I swear.
Nobody wants to suffer again. So if you see girl like Belinda, where they reject rich guy like them, Omo, I mean say she dey see something inside you where I never see you.
You know, obviously I'm not. You know, get in her eyes.
Be the courage.
She knows I get future. The future is very, very bright. She has to with me.
No only bright future, I never. You know where? Guy, I beg. But this kind of guy like this, the wahala when they do for you, I won't take Kokutan now.
Look, I tell you, that Ken guy, he dey put him head where my life dey. And if you know arrange yourself, where I go treat him for court.
See, guy, make you just advise yourself. Oh. You know, say you no get money. If Kasala boss now, you no get money to do anything. Oh. So advise yourself. I beg you, day.
Guy, who's God?
Hmm.
He can bless anybody.
Oh, that's true, sha. Man, I don't like you,
Bless
bro.
me.
I dey envy you. I dey envy you.
You envy me
Ah,
now.
see you now. Ordinary dry cleaner. Can't see fine babe like Belinda. We agreed to stay with you. Come on. What I want to do for you?
Guy, this God, he can bless anybody.
Ah, true.
Hmm?
Yeah, I
God
dey
don't do your
in
own.
line. Make it bless me.
You go do your
I
own
say
for
they
you.
wait.
You go do am.
Belinda, we have been friends for a while, and I know very little about you. Is it right?
Where do you want to know? Where your eyes there somewhere else?
Oh, well, I know you work at the supermarket as a cashier. I think that's all I know.
So I go send you my CV now. At least that one go give you information reach village.
No, that's not what I want, actually. I want us to spend time together so I can know more about you. That's why I want you to go on a date with me, so I can get to know you better. I'm serious. Look, just accept me as you are. Stop wasting time with that old life, boy. It's no good for you. Look, I'm going to change your life for good.
See my boy love it. You see, no, they say I'm happy. No, they insult my man. Waiting happen. You no go drop 2 sentences if no true insult. Waiting happen.
I love you so much. Don't you want a better life for yourself? Don't you want to go to school? Don't you want to become a graduate? Look, when you work as a cashier, I can make you own that place. I can buy it for you. If you want to school abroad, I can sponsor it. All I want you to do is accept me, that's it. Please stop wasting time with that boy. You're wasting your time with him. He's not going to make it. I'm here for you now, okay? Look.
You're mad! You're Grace! When you come everybody follow my babe talk. She knows she don't want you, I mean she wants you. Come on here.
You don't do.
You know who I am?
Who you be? Who you be? Who you be?
No, this is the height of it. I have taken much of your insult and humiliation. You hear from me?
What you go do? What you go do? What talk to this guy?
Leave him.
Who him be?
Free am. I dey here.
You must wait now. I know what people they drive. They drive car person they call her car. No be say I just want day simple. Shey I no fit buy car. I go buy car. I go buy ten sef. I don't finish.
Now we go there. Small food wey you chop na that kind come fight mumu fight. See as this person.
Don't come here dey fight. Don't come here dey fight.
Where we go there? You go dey fight anyhow. Oh yeah.
Babe, wetin be your problem? Dem swear for you. How you go see me decide chop stone? Why you dey stand there dey watch Eric, common Eric wey dey wash other people dem clothes, dey punch Ken wey get him own money, a real boss.
So wetin you wan make I do? Make I enter their center go collect punch abi wetin? No be men dem be. If Eric punch Ken, he pain Ken, make he retaliate. Shoo? Abi money tie him hand, tie him leg join. Abeg o, abeg. Normally Eric dey protect him thing, normal something. If he pain am, he go retaliate. Na man he be. Abi you want make I go dey fight for am?
But you know say na love wey Ken get for you dey cause all this.
Normal. I know say the guy love me. I no doubt. But me I love am. No. And I don tell am, I don clear am on steady. You no wan hear. Besides I no be this kind love I dey hustle for all my life. No be that kind love. I don hustle for undiluted love, pure love. Love wey be say material things no come dey influence. You understand? And na Eric dey give me that kind love. So abeg free am. In fact, I no go understand this matter, just free am. Abeg.
Babe, Eric no get money. Na liability him be.
Shey na me him go rely on. Why you dey heavy your shoulder?
Sorry.
Babe, all my life, I don't hustle for this kind love. I no go come leave am now, dey lose guard because one man pull up with money shoe. No be my lifestyle. No be me. I don't dey that level. Leave me, I dey okay. I dey alright. Ah,
Sorry, ma.
how they do this thing, though? Every time you just dey
I see
tackle me
suffer
and
no dey
Eric,
tire
tackle
you.
me and Eric.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. But don't you think this will cause a lot of problems?
You told me to act, and I'm acting. This is all his fault. He brought this upon himself. And I have to use it to my advantage. Enough is enough. I think I've lost my patience.
That is fine. As long as my friend won't be hurt, it's fine. But please don't harm Eric. We don't need any crime for our head, I beg.
Don't worry. I am not a criminal. I will not do anything outside the law. And of course, I will not do anything to hurt her. Not for a second.
Are you sure? I know get power.
I have everything under control now.
Let's go. Let's go.
Are you his lawyer?
I'm not a lawyer, but I need to know what.
Then if you are not his lawyer, follow us to the station.
Officer,
Calm down.
we are not the carrier.
If you want to find out, follow us to the station.
Which station are they go?
Follow us to the station. Let's go, my friend.
Officer,
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Officer,
Let's go.
officer.
Who be that?
Open door.
Four. Four. Wetin happen?
Police will call Naberico. They don't carry and go.
Say wetin you do. I sure say go find person in trouble.
They don't do anything. See, as soon as just day like this, they sleep. That's all we did. Next thing I know, we hear knock for door. They just come carry and go. They don't explain anything.
Wait, where they carry and go?
I don't know. I tried to make I ask them. They no gree tell me. I even say make I follow them. They just drive, leave me.
Because normal police no dey do like this now. Like if they carry person, they drop info.
Let me can no even understand. I just confused.
I sure say Ngo match line way pass am.
Why they talk like this now? Eh?
Where you go?
We guys go find my guy. You know if he's sleep for station.
Belinda, relax. Even if you see am this night, you know if he bail am.
My guy.
Today na Friday night too. Anything will go up.
Make we go try. Make we just go try. Make we go try.
They go bail am.
On
Make
a
we
good
go try.
luck, oh.
Which kind of thing is this?
Just find out more. Just find out because me and Ofi just cool down. I did this like that. Sorry, Baba. How far?
After, I beg no vex to look for our guy where police carry. You know any police station where they around here?
Which of the police station be that?
Any police station, or you see police van, anyone just.
Okay, you get one police station where they, as you just go straight on, enter by your right. Yeah, the first street.
Next street.
Yeah.
Thank you. I beg. No, they go, Paul.
Which kind of wahala be this one now? Eh? We don't search all the police station where they this area finish. They say no be there they carry Eric go. Where person won't find an enter like this?
I'll be say, as I say be like this now, my mind they court oh. My mind they court. Because which kind of wahala be this now? Where they carry am go?
Babe, just calm
Which
down.
kind of wahala be this one? Now
Wait,
which I
calm
be
down.
calm down? Which I be calm down? I say make I calm down. How?
Wait,
We don't know where they carry am go. We don't know what they don't do am. You say make I calm down.
Calm down.
No, they talk am. Wait.
See,
Ah.
see. I understand as you dey feel. Eh? I understand. But make we just dey pray. Say make nothing happen to Eric. You know say Eric na strong guy. Make we just dey pray, you understand? Make we go. Tomorrow we go begin our search again. In fact, if we reach tomorrow now, they release am. Make we dey go. You know say e don late.
If I see the
Understand?
person
You
wey
don't
run this
late.
package, if I see the person wey run this matter, if I see the person wey run this matter.
I understand. Babe, make we dey go, abeg.
Alpha, you don't find am. I tell you, I told you they don't go give am bail this time.
We don't even see the station where in there.
What do you mean? You don't see am at all.
Like we check the 2 police stations where they are around, where they would. We don't see them. They say they don't get record for that name. Say they don't even arrest anybody this night.
Maybe the police station they outside this environment now.
I'm just confused. Like, this is not what I'm do now. I don't even think straight.
What if na Ken same police made they come arrest am?
Not true. My mind not even go there. But that guy, but the reason saying know what's up now. Like, why you go come do this kind of thing?
I don't talk am say that him do am o. I just dey imagine.
But this your imagination makes sense because I know my guy now. He no get issue with anybody. Man, I gotta see that guy. I gotta see Ken.
You won't go see person where you know like. You don't even know where they stay.
And that one a small thing now. I just put call to go tell me the address. Where your phone?
Hey, leave him now. You don't do his late. Let's just sleep here tomorrow.
Wait. You won't make Eric sleep for cell this night?
Okay. What do you want to do before? It's late now. We won't waka by this time. What if something happen to you? See, if something happen to you, me I know day your boy go sleep for stay for 1 week. Let's just sleep. Who said he did knock, he did come back. Come and sleep now.
Belinda, what a pleasant surprise. You know, I thought you were joking when you called me and asked for my house address. That you want to come see me this weekend is obviously going to be an amazing week. You're welcome, please sit down.
Where is Eric? I beg, where my man? I don't find him since last night and I know say now you arrest him, so please. When?
You're not going to sit. Okay, fine. Suit yourself. So why have you decided to accuse me wrongly? What makes you think I actually arrested your Eric boyfriend?
See, Eric no dey find any person trouble. In all place the day matter. And I don't check him recently that only 2 of them get issue. So mom know you do all this dance, all this babangolo dance. Just go straight to the matter. Tell me where my guy dey.
Okay. If you want to know the truth, I'll tell you. Yes, I got him arrested.
You want touch him baby and punch you. Not be make you punch him back, maybe say that normal 2 people they fight. But no, you go like show say you get power, you get money, small matter, you won't carry a kelebe join put body. Small incidents. I don't believe you. Shall no consign me o. Me, I don't even get power. I won't come take the follow you fight. Just tell me where my guy is. Man, go find my way.
Little incident, you say? Well, I have my own way of dealing with little boys like him. He is where I want him to be, and that is where he will remain.
Something they walk you. Like this your head now, na bump the inside. Which one be say he's where you want him to be and he will remain there. Oga beg, release my guy Joe. I know come here, come follow you laugh. Release Eric now.
Well, he's not here. I don't know where he is, so do your worst.
Ha! Hey. Why did you like this? Waiting so. Because you want me, I don't want you. I don't want to take the Eric fault. Oh yeah. Release my guy. Arrest me. This matter na between me and you, so no worry, just release him.
Things don't work that way. Nah, they don't. I have been chasing you for many months now. But you've been rejecting me. But all the gifts I give to you, I seem to use it. Is it right? Is it?
It's what you gift me, not be my own. Why you dey track am? Now you gift me own, now you don't turn my own now. See, I never like give you, maybe once. I never ever like give you. I never tell you say I love you. I never tell you say I won't follow you dates. I clear you from day one. Say, Omo, see as matter bio, na Eric I love. I clear you.
So do you really want to say him?
Yes, just tell me where in day, please. I beg. Tell me where in day I go by myself. I go find where release him. Tell me where my guy day, I beg.
Fine. I'll tell you where he is. But first, you will go on a date with me tonight.
What?
You and I will go on a date tonight, and I'll tell you where your man is.
I've been just say you get sense, so like normally I've been reason say you know what thing they do. So now money they carry high stupidity. Ah. So for your mind now, this your small game where you won't play now, you go walk. Belinda go come fall because of Eric. You better know where Eric they come follow you, they waka. You fool. Me, Belinda, I no go fall. Share that information. If you get another person, get her. Keep her. I go find my man.
What kind of girl is this? Is she actually rejecting me for that little brat?
Blender na wow for you. Why you dey vex? I just say I won't carry you comot. Show you where every day. Wetin dey bad inside?
I don't blame you. No, I don't blame you normally at all. You don't cuckoo like Eric from day one now. So anything we go touch him body, we go hot time. You do okay to you, Abi?
See what you dey talk. No be that I mean. You dey find person wey fit help you find the person you dey search for. Say make you follow am comot. You dey form. He sef wan buy you food make you chop. You chop since morning.
You dey hear yourself like this. This guy fall in hand. He fall in hand when you go arrest my man on top waiting. On top waiting. So because he want make I follow him comot, then make you go arrest my guy. Which kind dirty game be that one now? Who go fall for him? Me. I like it. I no go fit.
So wetin you go do now? Cause if you no gree for this guy, he sef no go gree for you. I be the think say you dey love this Eric o. This small thing you no fit do am. This small thing you no fit do am for Eric. Follow person go chop. Chop. I no chop since morning as I dey here. E dey form. Ha. Na your own problem with that. Oga Ken, that's a nice move. I was not expecting that though. I was not expecting it, but then again, let's just hope when you guys go out, everywhere goes chill. She will begin to reason with you.
Yeah, that is the idea. But she hasn't accepted yet, and it's a concern to me.
Just give her some time. We love Eric. She will do him, I know. I'm very sure.
You know, it baffles me how she's ready to do anything to make him happy, just to please him. It shows how much she really loves him.
See, if you ask me, that one shouldn't be your problem. It's just outing. Normally, we even do it with people we don't want to see again after the outing. Not to talk of someone like you. She could do it, so don't worry. I promise you that. So let me just take the dress to her. I'm very sure she will like it.
Okay, so give me your account number. Let me send you some money, at least so you can pay.
Don't worry. Money care. I don't need your money.
Are you sure about that?
I'm very sure. I don't want it to look like I'm selling my friend to you, So just hold on. When she agrees to date you, I will not feel like my brother-in-law is dashing me. Let me be going.
All right,
Thank you very much.
See you guys soon.
If na so dem talk am, how you wan take do am? Wait o, him say make you go on date with am. No be to date am say be that.
We do date am na normal like follow am comot for night or something like that or even day sef. But it didn't do me like say na cheating. And you no settle well for me at all.
But if you no do this one now, how you wan come take see this guy in the first place, talk less of say to cheat on her? You don't reason this thing at all.
It's really this a man do am. See, you gats see the picture clear. Oh. Eric no like this guy at all.
That one day.
If he crazy, if he hear this matter.
That one day. But make we save am first. When he come out, we fit handle him craze later. How you see him now? As it be like this, it be like say we no get any other option now. How you see him?
Hey, what's up?
Madam, so you don't agree to go on date with Ken wey you no tell me?
Which I don't agree. I see they think I'm now. I don't agree to go on date.
You dey think wetin? He bring dress for you.
Wetin dey worry that guy sef? Like wetin dey work am? It's like I'm not by force. Which kind of thing be this one now?
On top, not common dress wey he bring for you. I no understand. If you no agree, why you come? Why you come send you dress?
Don't worry, I have to do that talk first. Because this one don't too much. Hello? Why you bring dress come for me? Wetin e be for?
We are supposed to go out tonight, remember? So I want you to dress nicely, sexily, and very attractive.
I don't understand. I don't remember ever telling you say I don't agree. So wetin you come make you bring dress for me? See guy, I been think say you be my friend though. But I swear after this matter, I'm not sure if I fit greet you for road.
For a girl who claims to love a man so much, I'm sure you can do anything. I mean, anything to make him happy. Don't forget he is still in the police custody. You don't want to know what he's going through right now. The pain, the torture, everything. So you should be ready to do anything to make him happy.
Wetin you want?
I can't pick you up by 7:30. Echelon costume. And don't forget to dress nicely.
Wetin you talk? Why you dey cry now?
Nothing.
Belinda, you never ready?
Wetin you mean?
Haba na so you won't go. See your hair, ordinary powder sef you know where I'm haba now.
Shey na the clothes wey him buy me I wear. This one don't do.
Belinda, na date you dey go. No be slaughterhouse. Behave yourself small now.
Now you know say na days I dey go. Only me na comot I dey comot.
Ha! He don't come. You going?
My eye dey pain me.
Belle? No vex. Your blood today hot. Hey, na bathroom slippers you dey wear go. Hey.
You're not ready?
I never ready reach like this. No be clothes you buy me be this. Abeg ma what dey do comot here, time no dey. Oga, open your door now.
You like it? I did it for you.
You will do you like him. If you like him, you do alright.
Okay. Let's just sit at this. I see you're not eating. Why?
Okay, wetin dey worry you? Like wetin dey work you? You say ma follow you comot, I dey here. I tell you say I wan chop.
And your hair? Are you doing this to get me upset?
I don't understand you. You buy me clothes, I wear am. You say me will comot, I dey here. Wetin else you want?
It's fine. Let's not argue, okay? But at least eat your food, please.
I no wan chop, guy.
Look, you're here on a date, okay? I got these things to make you happy. Please eat.
Na by force to chop, I don't understand. Like, what's up? You want force the food down my throat?
If you don't eat your food and drink, I want to give you the answers you're sick. So if you really want to see your man again, eat up.
Why you dey try force me do wetin you want? I need to understand that part. Wetin happen?
Look. Please relax your nerve, okay? I am not forcing you. You have the right to do whatever you want to do, okay? Please. You came out here to eat, to have a date. It's not nice for you to just sit there and watch me eat alone. It's fine. At least put a smile on your face, please.
You say if I follow you comot, you go tell me where my guy dey. Where he dey?
He's at Egbeda police station.
Egbeda! Ah!
Wait! What is wrong with this girl? Is this love or madness? It's one thing to know where he is. It's another thing to be able to bail him.
See how long we lock you for. So they will never even find you. Ah.
I don't miss you too. I miss you.
Officer, no be you I meeted the other day. Why I tell you say I dey find my man? No be you tell me say you no dey under custody.
Babe, what's happen? I say, that the way they carry me, they be still dey on patrol.
Ah.
So they just carry me now, throw me inside their van, go and do patrol
Shoo?
up and down. And when they close, they come back station.
Officer, which kind of wickedness be that one now? One of the carry person who arrest, who for patrol van? What if something go happen? Go.
Babe, no worry. Thank God, sir. I do okay. You need to this. I do okay.
Ah.
Do okay. That's yes. Okay.
Yes, sure.
I miss you too, man. I miss you. Good. Where you dey come from when you dress like this? Wait. So you dress fine like this, go party? Me at this side dey suffer. You don't even care, say I don't miss.
Wetin dey work? Wetin dey work? Eh? I say, no be me dey here. You never ask me anything. You just dey form vex.
Yeah, tell me wetin go happen. Wetin happen wey this guy find clothes? Wetin happen?
Na that yeye Ken o.
Huh?
He come give me condition say before he tell me where you dey, say I must follow am waka go date.
In the craze.
Normally I refuse o, based on which kind level be that one. But na your friend Paul, na him wey say shey na just to follow am go chop. Say me I follow am go chop, go collect info. So I follow am go. Na as he just dey drop me now for gate. As he just dey drop me, dey give me the info. I run come here.
I don't understand you now. So you mean say Paul, my own friend now, get mind tell you say make you follow man, go date. Where in dey? I don't dey say, you never come here, come check me, oh. But if they advise you wrongly, make you follow man.
Wetin happen? Na wetin you wan hear you dey wear? Abi all dis thing wey I talk just now for on top rocky for? I say the guy just dey drop me for gate. I dey come down, dey run, dey come here. Where I wan see Paul give am info, say see the update o. Where I wan see Paul?
So Paul never know.
How you go take know? I dey try turn matter with you here, the form actor. Abeg come jare. Abeg officer, I wan bail my boyfriend.
Well, to bail him, you need permission from the person that arrested him, or you pay the sum of 800,000 naira.
Officer, I still government money. I be a rape woman.
Oh, so you have intention of raping someone?
Okay.
Why you talk like this now? You seem like you are stand like that. I be the rape woman.
I don't know.
Me wey be say all the woman for my street, they like me scatter. Or they die for me. I be fine boy, na money I no get. Why go the rape woman? Because I find like this.
Progress. Now my ear dey pain me. I think you dey hear yourself. Just rewind small.
But you stop now. They try to speak to officer now.
Officer, abeg, no vex. Rewind small. You say na wetin make me no fit be my boyfriend.
That is the only condition. You either go and beg the person that arrested him, or pay the sum of 800,000 naira. Sergeant, take this criminal away.
Okay, which one be criminal now? If that's criminal, no problem. No criminal. Which one be criminal? No worry. You no go stay here. I go find where you come out.
Why you talk like this now? I want to take one. You say 800K. You won't get the money from. Even if you say yourself, say Paul, you 800K now.
Wetin dey work you? They try reason your matter, you dey bring insult. They find my mouth. Eh?
No vex. I just talk reality for you. I want to see 800,000.
No worry yourself. See, me I go do anything. I don't say you no fit stay here. I go do anything, make sure say you come out. Don't worry.
You will do anything.
Baby, when I tell you say I love you, no be carry talk. I no dey float, no be say I just wan talk. You understand? I love you. I be my man. I be the man wey dey make me laugh. I no go do alright if you dey here now. I no go settle. I go do anything. I go make sure say you come on here. I feel okay anything, but I go do anything.
Time up.
I love you so much, but I beg. Don't just do anything and make me proud of you. Come waste that now. Come waste that. I love you. Really.
Which kind of wahala be this one now? Eh? Why some people like to be wicked to other people like this? Okay, now we dey expect say we go see that kind of money.
Normal fight, no. Normal two-man fight, no be selling normal thing. Eh? Normal fight. Everywhere these people say, make I go bring 800k.
See, this one na just oppression be this one. And I sure say that guy hand dey for this matter. I sure.
See, that one don't even concern me. My own be say, how I won't take raise this money, because as you see me so, I just confused. How I won't take raise this money?
Belinda, you see, I go suggest say make you go beg Kenny. And now.
Beg who? May you show that padded pride just the increase. In China, why it's feel blind person? Man, no fit to, I no get that energy, I beg.
See, Belinda, me I know say you get pride, but make you try swallow and small. Eh? Just go beg and so at least make the fear release Eric.
Nah, swallow my pride. I don't say my pride large.
I know.
I'm a choke.
You know go choke, just make we go beg him. And when they release Eric, you feel wear your pride back again. All this thing.
You don't do, Sha, you don't do, I beg. You could get points. Most important thing, I make my Eric come out, so.
That's so.
You go beg the guy tomorrow.
Me, I will follow you go tomorrow. I will back you up. No wahala.
No, I will call if I do go.
No wahala.
I beg, leave on. Not be doing carrots coming.
I told my boss that you guys are here and said I should give this guy.
And I say make you leave am, Oga. Not be doing carrots come here. I person when you belly the sweet, they drink anyhow. I beg. You won't carry drink.
I never see this kind of drink.
Guy, they focus, I beg. Focus.
I know.
Why didn't you open the drink? What is wrong with this boy?
I may tell him may leave am, I beg. Not be doing carrots come.
How can you come to my house and you don't want to drink? Why is that? Anyways, suit yourself. You came here with your friend. What do you guys want?
We don't go to the police station and they say make we bring 800k to bill Eric or make we come beg you. As be say we no fit see that kind of money, now make we say make we come beg you whether you go fit do something, make the fear allow my guy go.
You went to the station and they asked you to come and bail your friend. So why come to me? Go and bail him.
As Paul take talk this matter, na so it be. We go police, they say me will come beg you. So we come in and me will beg you, may you for tell them, may they allow us carry our guy go. That 800k where they talk, it too far.
I tell you how.
Why are you confusing yourself? You went to the police station and they asked you to come bail your friend. Go and bail him. I am not a police officer. I don't control the police station, so why come talk to me?
We come here, we come beg you because now waiting police people talk. We they ask for your permission, may you tell them, may they allow us carry our guy go. Normal billing na 5k, 10k now. Now not in the usual normal billings. It should be 800k. That matter too far. So I beg, if na your permission, if na call where you go put call through, may we carry our man they go, I beg.
Since you have decided to accuse me wrongly, that I control the police station, fine. I'll accept it. I am going to call them to release your friend, Eric.
Thank you.
But on one condition.
Which condition again?
That you, Belinda, will pass the night with me in this house.
Eh?
What you talk?
I will call the police station and ask the DPO to release your friend Eric, but on one condition. That you will pass the night with me.
You dey crazy? You dey mad? What is that worry you? Wait. First, you tell me in front of my man, say you won't carry me go date. Now you arrest them, you won't come run me. You dey crazy?
Belinda, calm down.
Ah!
Just calm down.
If
just calm down.
Calm down.
Listen, we come beg. Now beg we come beg.
So na Pekus they worry you all this time. Na Pekus. If so that woman they hungry, you know if you go pay alone, so when they for street, when they can't do you where? Na my Pekus you want knack. Now make you go arrest my man, Abi. See my guy. See this Pekus wey they find. You no go ever see him. And if you ever see him by mistake or by force, wallahi I go break your head. I go swear for you that I go carry this Pekus swear for you. Thunder will fire you. See this is a little bruko. Idiot. You still the beggar. You the beggar, Mabi. As the beggar, I saw him bright and.
Bro, no be so they do something. No be so they do something.
Aside the fact that I am going to call for them to release your friend, Eric. I will also give you the sum of 5 million naira if you pass the final.
You go better say I die than say I touch your money. You no matter to me. Your money no matter. Eric, now the only person will matter to me for this life.
Guy, no be
Come on, come on
No
here.
be so they do something, no guy.
It's a lot of money. A whole lot. Girls.
As this thing they go like this, it be like the only way they go let Eric go now if you go spend nights with this kind of guy.
Which kind of friend you be, sef? How you gonna advise your man, babe, may you go sleep with another man? You meant? So if that man now say the only way you go take release Eric, now make her go sleep with Grace person, you go say I go sleep with Grace person.
Calm down now.
Which one be calm down?
Babe, now you know one reason this matter. Oh. If for the guy to fly you now, the only way we go make Eric go, do him now. No be say if the guy knock you, your Pekus go close, or he say you no go let Eric enter again. You dey do him for your guy freedom.
No blame you. Normal, you now what up for your mouth? Just the yarn am anyhow, just open mouth wah. I don't blame you. And this guy own they pay me. You.
Belinda, calm down. No reason this thing like this. See, all of us just did try reason ways so be say police feel let Eric go.
Why you not feel reason say make we go find people who go borrow us money, make we release Eric?
Who go
Why
borrow us that kind of money?
What you talk? What you talk? Why be say na mama go open like for one bastard then wait in your head?
Now the easy way we go reason normally. Where do you want us to get that kind of money? 800k. Not to sleep with a guy be the easy way, my girl. So do him.
Madam, you where the reason now? You no fit go carry your Pekus give the guy. Waiting stop. You no fit do am.
Babe, me and you know say if na me the guy come for sins, this matter don't settle. Now to knock person be how many minutes? I beg rest.
Anything more than one reason, more than reason now. Me, I no go sleep with that bastard. Case closed.
Belinda, see, anything what you want to do, just reason I'm saying no before that guy they do am.
Eh?
Say na for Eric, na for make Eric come up for police cell.
Oh.
And remember say, na the love where Eric get for you, now make can go punch that guy.
Oh.
So make you think this thing well.
Belinda, sometimes I will just ask myself, what do you see from my body? Why you did it me?
Even myself, I don't know.
You don't know why you did it me?
I don't know.
You did crazy, I swear.
Oh wait, though, why you did it?
There are many reasons why they did you. But first of all, you're crazy. You're crazy, crazy me. The way you take God confidence, you say if you stand up for yourself anytime. That's stubbornness. But sometimes, man, like they pay me say, I don't know, I just feel like say one day he just leave me, tell me say I'm gonna marry another man.
Why?
Because I don't get money. I don't get money to give you the kind of life where you deserve.
Baby, God don't give me life. You still want add
Wait, you see that one coming
See. You know, say, I see many people before I choose. I see guys who find pass you. We get money pass you. We even get sense pass you.
Melinda, you don't insult me.
Don't be insult. Don't be insult. Now reality. But you know, say you know be number one for this world. But if you see for my own world, you be number one. And I don't want to live for another person's world. This is my world. I want to live with you.
Which is in me. Belinda, I still love you.
I know they do for head kisses. That be small thing.
Hey God, oh, I enter this one. I don't regret that.
Linda, you know say this thing no dey necessary. If you decide not to do am.
For my Eric, I could do anything. But no try stop me. I beg.
Sorry.
Not today.
Who is it? You? In my house this night. What do you want?
Eric, not the only person who matter to me for this world. And if not to spend the night with you, will help me bail am. Fine. I don't come. Do with me as you wish.
Eric! Guy, have fun now! Now you be this. Wow! Guy! Welcome to you. Eric!
No cry. Why you cry? No cry. Now if you cry now, I will cry. No cry. Eh?
Eric, welcome.
Don't cry. No cry now. No cry. You're gonna make me cry. So this kind of thing happened. Paul, you not tell me.
Guy, not the only way we fit take bring you up with that.
So Belinda carrying body go give Ken. Ken sleep with my woman.
Belinda carry her body give Ken because of me. She do one for me.
See, even myself I shock her. I don't believe say she go do am. But she do am.
He pay me, but he no pay me say Belinda carry her body give Ken. He dey pay me say na because of me she do that kind of thing.
But now wetin love be that now? You do for me, I do for you. And she don't prove and say she love you well. Guy, this.
Ken a bastard. Ken a bastard. You no go die better than I me tell you. And I go get this money.
And the prayer be that. Don't worry, guy. Everything will be alright. Come on.
I dey work hard now. I dey try now. I'm gonna go to this kind of thing. With my own woman. Because another man they look my woman. They sleep with my woman because of me.
Bro.
Can you do this one though? I don't say God.
You sure say Paul no tell am wetin happen? The reason say never tell am because Eric for don craze now.
Then wait till tomorrow now. I sure say na him go wake us up tomorrow with shout.
No, that guy anger no good though. They feel like this one like.
Shey na him we do am for now?
I shall tell Eric everything we happened yesterday.
Wetin you talk?
You know, say na man in be now. He not play at all. No play.
Na my favorite this one. Na my favorite this. Okay, where in there?
In the shop. I'll go meet him later.
You go safe to go see him for sure. Because me, I don't know where person carry person iron me. As I dey like this, I dey straight.
Eric know the craze now. I mean, I know saying the vex, but he go calm down. After all, you know do this thing on purpose. So be like say you just go do one. But for your own good, you do one. He go calm down. Don't worry, they go. Nothing dey happen. Go see him.
No, I don't hear. But if something happen, I beg go. Make sure say you send message give my mama. I beg.
Nothing dey happen. Go. Nothing dey happen. Eh? Don't worry, I'll come meet on her. I sure I'll come meet on her later.
Snake dey inside. What's happen?
You fear me now?
I fear you. I stand beside you, say I fear you. Why you dey pick beside my shop? Wait, oh, you know they go work.
Now work I dey go, so I say make I come greet you first.
Okay, oh, yeah, now bye.
Bye, just like that.
You know want go your office again? Oh, one man escort you. I don't get that kind of time. I get customer work I want to do. Just inform her, just finish my work. You shouldn't be home again now.
That's it. Bye.
Bye. They go. Where they go? You not go again.
So, like joke, you don't set like this. You won't marry Belinda.
My brother, and that's why I see him. So my man fits me now.
He fits you.
I got on say, well,
But wait first. Sure you know say to marry na money.
Normal.
Normal. And if una marry finish, she na for this house na one can stay. Wait first, where you want see money take do this marriage? You never think and where.
Wetin happen?
Me, I don't tire. I don't tire. Which kind of thing with this one? If Eric don't want me again, make Kukuma tell me now. Which kind silent treatment in they give me? You don't reach 1 week. 1 week when you come back house. Kukuma talk to me, just they give me attitude. Wetin happen? Paul saying don't tell him everything. Still, one question Eric never asked me.
Abi I don't tell you make you know the trust man. I tell you make you know the trust man. That thing where you and Ken do, they in mind. I sure say Paul don't tell him everything. Now he don't want you again.
Hey, make Kukuma be man now. Make na my kind and Eric now. Still they do talk this thing, sir. May he tell me, maybe man tell me to my face, say he don't want me again. Which me all this kind of attitude when they give me. Shoo, me I know they shake oh. I know what I do am because I love him. Now love carry me do am. So if you don't want me again, if you don't love me again, no wahala. May you tell me.
But if Eric leave you true, your own don't finish you.
I no go die. Forget that. I no go die.
Okay.
You see, I love him. Now make me do what I do. You understand? I know the shame.
It's okay, sleep.
Which one be sleep? I don't understand. I know if you sleep, you don't lie down. Which one be sleep?
Make I don't sleep again. I send you say make you go fall in love. I send you say make you go love person. Madam, I beg, don't stress me. I don't send you. You self knows I know they like that your boyfriend.
Enough of this. What's it be this one now? I don't feel like I'm again. Which kind of nonsense be this?
What's happened, Belinda?
Look, Eric, I know say what I do no good. And I know say as man when you be, you don't want me again. But I don't expect say you go do like this. I don't expect say you go be like other men when they keep things for mind. Eric, I expect say if you don't want me again, you go look me for face, tell me say you don't want me again.
Where all this talk they come from?
From my heart, Eric! From my heart! You don't reach 2 weeks when you come back, when you hear say I spend night under my house, and you know if you ask me anything. But what? No but me, no but anything. No but me. If you don't want me again, tell me. Kuku tell me. I go understand. But if you don't fit tell me, no worry. I go help you. Because it better say I waka come out by myself than say I dey here they collect this silent torture. Eric, listen, I do what I do because of love. Now love make me do am. And I no regret am. I no regret am one bit. I no regret am one bit. If the chance come again, I no go change anything. Take care of yourself.
Which kind of wahala be this one? You never even give me talk.
one again? You don't start new business.
Belinda, I want to start new business today. And only you will be my customer.
You know one blow? Why you didn't need that?
You calm down now. Calm down. Everything will be para for me. No man.
Sorry. Oh yeah, talk. Oh yeah, sorry.
Belinda. I know say I no get money. In fact, I no get anything. And according to you, you say sense far from me. I agree. But I believe, say, if woman like you fit dey with me, sense go show. On that note, I want to ask you whether you go like dey with me. You go like to marry me, be my wife.
I do believe you now. Yes, why?
You joke!
Wait. But you said, wait before. So I go let you go. Eh? But wait, don't ask me. Why you want marry me after everything when me and Ken don't go?
Belinda, if woman like you, please sacrifice all these things for me. It means not only you deserve to be my wife. Paul, tell me everything now.
And you still want me? You sure?
Because Belinda, woman like you is scarce. To find woman like you, we fine, we say, they supportive, get sense. If my musical woman, you don't get sense with that now. Thank you. See there.
Make una rest, waiting. Shebi una don engage.
Don't tell me to calm down. Now your face will calm down. Which kind of man you be? Because I don't get money.
Calm down.
You this fucking stupid man. When we say you going to maltreat two man, they take advantage of women. Who you be?
Eric, calm
Man,
down.
talk to them.
I say you no touch me, you no do me anything. What's happen?
I don't understand.
Which kind of talk is this?
If crying is what you came here to do, why then did you come?
Ken, I no love you. I no go ever love you. I want to cry based on this matter we won't run, no. I dey cry because this thing now, if it make me lose Eric.
So why did you come to do it if you don't want to lose Eric?
Because I won't make you release him. If I could lose Eric for him to get him freedom, no wahala.
Why do you love him so much?
They know the reason matter we make person love another person. That one alone na reason.
But I love you.
And I love Eric.
So, for this reason, will you love me back?
If I lose Eric because of this thing, I'm not going to ever love you. I'm not going to even ever love another person.
Is this love or madness?
My love for Eric na my madness. It completes me, he mad me. I beg me no talk past like this. Come do wetin you want to do. Which I won't take start.
Go to bed. I'll see you in the morning.
I beg. I come here, I come sleep with you. I don't come here, come sleep for your bed. Eric dey me important.
You'll be home before you get back tomorrow morning.
Why you want to do am like this?
I want a woman that will love me for who I am, and not one that will sleep with me out of her helplessness. I told you to come spend the night with me, and not come sleep with me. Please, babe. See you tomorrow.
Why you don't tell me? But tell me.
You no ask me, Eric.
But even at that, what you dey fight for here? You don't get any right to come my house or to come my baby house.
I want to help.
I don't understand. Which level? Who they ask for your help?
Eric, you are a man and you have pride. It's fine. I love Belinda so much, obviously. But it's so unfortunate she doesn't feel the same way about me.
We engage now. Engage down. As a joke with you, engage down straight.
It would have shocked me if you didn't end up with her after all she has been through for you. You two deserve each other.
Oh, guy, you two dey speak English. Tell me what you dey fight for here.
Stop waiting, guy. You come there. They speak English.
I know I have caused you so much pains and trouble. I'm so sorry about everything. So I've come to show compensation. With me there is 10 million. I want you to have it and start up your life with it and make something out of it.
Shay, no, they why not,
10 million.
10 million. 10 million. Many check no bounce, so 10 million.
Belinda, you are an amazing woman. You're kind. You're faithful. You deserve all the happiness in the world. Yeah. And if your happiness lies with Eric, I have no other choice than to give you my full support. Love and blessings. I wish you all the best.
No, Ogaara.
Oh, this on
Come now.
You try, oh, thank you. This was sweet me. I don't go lie. 10 million.
You're not going to best on me like that for the other day you say we run our street. Thank you.
I wish you all the best.
Give me some now.
your eyes on